welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing on this wonderful day? I'm glad to have you back. In today's video, I have something so exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. But let me start from the beginning, I suppose. As you know, it was my birthday very recently, and it was very fun. I can't believe that I'm 17. Like, what? That is crazy to even think about. I am only 1 year away from being 18. That's like really scary. Like, what? That is so crazy. For my birthday this year, you won't believe what I got. I have it right here. I got a new iPad Pro. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have no idea how excited I was to get this as a present this year. Like, first of all, this is gonna be amazing to open. It's gonna be super nice. I am so thrilled about this and I cannot wait to open it. In fact, I'm gonna be opening it in today's video. You're gonna get to see a full unboxing of this new iPad Pro. Before I unbox it though, I did want to show you guys a little bit of my old iPad because it is kind of trashed. So recently I noticed just how dirty the case has. I mean, when you first look at it from afar, you're like, oh, that's a nice case, but when you look close, it's pretty dirty. First of all, both these stickers are kind of starting to peel. This one has, like, as you can see, a bunch of tape on it. So from far away it looks good, but you know, it's taped up everywhere. And there's a bunch of little like dings and scratches on the case. Plus, look at this. So much tape because the iPad was insanely cracked. Down here you can't really tell, but it was so cracked there was actually a small hole in the iPad, which is like really bad. I had to like re-tape it every few months. It was just like not good. And the case, just, okay, compare it to this. That is nasty. Like, that is just so gross. So I was like, I need a new case. You know, I also need a new iPad. Just look how cracked. I mean, so yeah. That's my old iPad. I mean, I still have my Apple Pencil, of course. I mean, it definitely looks used, but it still works pretty good. This is the little case that I have been keeping my Apple Pencil in because I was so paranoid about losing it, because I did once and I was terrified to lose it again, which luckily I did end up finding it, obviously. But instead of just putting it on the side of the iPad, I thought it would be better to have it in a little case because it could like easily just fall off. Like, someone could knock it off so easily. But another thing is, look at this. Do you guys see all the white marks on that? Yeah, it's so weird. I think that's just from my Apple Pencil from sticking on it too much or something like that. But yeah, that's my old iPad. I am going to be ordering a new case though for my new iPad. It's going to be a super pretty dark teal color and it should be coming like today, pretty soon. So at the end of this video, I will probably be putting that on. It's gonna be exciting. Guys, I am so excited because I have never done an unboxing like this before, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Plus, I'm so excited for this iPad. Let's see here. I think maybe you rip these off. See, I've never even done this before. Satisfying. Here we go. Ooh, look at this. This is gonna be really satisfying. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look at this, it has this nice wrap on it. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so amazing. Let's open this up. Starting from the back. Wow, check this out. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I'm obsessed. It seems so much bigger than my old iPad, even though it's only like probably an inch bigger. I guess it just feels like it's a lot bigger, but I love it. Let's set it aside for a second. Open this little pack right here. I'm assuming this is the charging cable. Yes, and what is here? I'm actually not sure. iPad Pro. Oh, I guess it's just like the little tips thing. Oh, it kind of like teaches you. Okay, got that. Anything else in here? Oh yeah, oh, Apple stickers. Okay. And I think that might be it. And of course the charger. Oh, this one's different than mine actually. This one looks nicer than mine, looks upgraded. I was reading this and it looks like pretty much everything is the same about the iPad. I mean, obviously it's better, it's a little different, but everything on here that it's teaching me is the same. Except for this. I was never really sure what those 3 dots were, but it says it's a smart connector. Attach compatible accessories to the iPad, which I'm not exactly sure what that is, but that's interesting because I always wondered what those were. I am so excited to turn this on and start using it. I'm going to plug it in for the first time at my desk so I can get it charging. Ooh, so fancy. 73%, okay. Swipe up. English, of course. United States. Oh, okay, yes, I remember this part. You have to bring your other device over to help set it up. So let's do that now. Wow, now that I can actually see the size difference, look at that. That is crazy. Okay, let's start setting this up. Have my old iPad here. It says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. It's just loading. I'm going to set up my Face ID. Ooh, yes, okay. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. I just finished setting up Siri so it could get to know my voice. Guys, my iPad officially finished setting up. I am so excited. All the apps are just finishing loading right now, and just look at this though, like, look how dirty that is. All I really have to do now is just wait for all my apps to load, then I'll be able to use this new iPad. I just gotta also connect my Apple Pencil and then erase this iPad so we can get rid of it. Before I officially start using my iPad, I'm gonna give it a full charge. It's at about 76 right now. I also chose this wallpaper. It's cute, right? I was able to connect my Apple Pencil super fast. There it is, Apple Pencil. And I'm super excited to use this to do art on here. I am so excited. I'm definitely gonna have to update you guys on that. One of the main reasons this iPad is gonna be so much better for art is just because the screen is a lot bigger. So I'm very excited about that. I can't wait to start doing some art projects on there. But I'm gonna try not to use it too much, at least until my case arrives, because I don't want to risk dropping it. And I'm hoping my case will come either today or tomorrow. The case I ordered is dark teal and it has this cool little compartment for my Apple Pencil, so I'm excited for that. Also, something so random for these, like, well, I don't even know what to use these for, but they came with the iPad. Like, I don't even know. Should I, like, save these or get rid of them? I don't even know. But like I mentioned earlier, how I'm always so worried about my Apple Pencil being lost, do you guys know any other like solutions or hacks for that? Because I've just had this like kind of big case that I've been putting it in. Maybe I'll have to search on Amazon, I don't know, but I want to find a better case for it. And maybe the compartment I mentioned that is on the case that I ordered will do the trick. I hope so. I'll have to update you guys on that as well. Guys, I just got back from soccer practice and showered, and look, my case came. This is looking so nice. I love it. Just gotta take this little plastic thing out. Oh, perfect. Okay, this is where the Apple Pencil goes. Definitely gonna have to try that out. Ooh, very nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, now for the actual iPad. I got it in and this is looking so nice. I absolutely love this because look, you put it in and it's not actually too hard to get out. Like, just like, I feel like it might take a couple tries, but that's honestly so nice for the Apple Pencil. It will not get lost. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so amazing. Now I will be able to take it places. The Apple Pencil is right here, safe and sound. Anyways, guys, I'm just so excited and thrilled and thankful for my new iPad. I cannot wait to start using it. Make sure you guys do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And of course, subscribe if you're not yet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!